e don be as if say our mumu don dey do for dis country, our eyes don open for dis country. So hey, people no come fear again for dis country. God bless you. Say dis thing don tire everybody. Our government, they don push us against the wall. You know say e go reach one extent, everybody for dey talk say anything wan happen, make it happen. Anybody wan come arrest me, make come arrest me. He don start from Governor Otom. Na him first start this thing. He dey talk say this insecurity dey affect everybody for this country. Make the government do something. Some Miyetti Allah, dem dey threa ten him. Bishop Oyedepo too, he sef dey talk. Right now, one imam for Abuja, one imam, chief imam, he be like say the thing don reach him neck like this. He don know say the thing don choke am. He come voice out. He talk say President Buhari as the president to say he don fail as the president of this country. They come ask am why. He talk say on top this issue of insecurity wey dey happen, wey be say this issue of this wey dey happen, the thing dey tire everybody for this country. So why be say this time around we come dey fight all these people as if say we dey fight ghost? He come talk one thing wey come shock everybody, wey come make me cry. He come talk say he know say after this thing wey be say him talk, some police, some DSS go dey find him anywhere be say him dey. He talk say he's ready to face the consequence. Imagine that kind of thing. So for Nigeria wey be say we dey here now, no freedom of speech. Okay, so freedom of speech dey, but no freedom after speech. Imagine that kind of thing now. Everybody now don dey fear to speak the truth. With the thing we say e dey happen to us for this Nigeria now, we come dey suffer and smile, suffering and smiling together. In case you never watch the video of that man, because the man blow hot, him blow hot very very well on top. Him face the government very well, him face them face to face like this. In case you never watch the video, abeg watch am.
Is there nobody to take responsibility? I want to believe that we have all failed. I mean, I failed as an imam to teach you that life is sacred. You all failed as parents to teach your children that killing is bad. Our community leaders failed. Our politicians failed. Governors failed. Especially His Excellency, the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. You have failed us. We have your video telling Nigerians that the military is capable. Our military is capable. It has all the requirements to tackle this insurgency. And if you are voted into power, you are going to make sure that happens in a short time. You have given 4 years an addition. Yet, people are dying like fowls. Killing is becoming norm in Nigeria under your watch, Mr. President. If there is no Nigerian to tell you, I will take the responsibility of telling you. And I will take the responsibility of the consequences, because the life and properties of Nigerians is above all. Let me tell you, Mr. President, under your watch, bandits are taxing Nigerians. Is that the
we can't imagine not this kind of thing. You don't watch the video, so see how the thing they paint the man. In fact, they paint this thing they paint everybody. This man come talk say now this same issue of insecurity. Now why we vote for him? And what will they face now? The same insecurity we say, he talk say within 6 months, he go so far. Now we they fight for 6 years. We never finish him. And he go live ten for like 2 years now, and bandits they collect. Bandits, imagine that kind of thing. Bandits they negotiate with citizens. Bandits and never hear a day where we say President Vest come, you can't kill them. For this country we say we dey. Now only God go help us for this country we say we dey, because this thing don't tire everybody. We don't tire of talking, don't tire everybody now. This man talk say, you know, say DSS go come after him. He's ready to face the consequence. But that kind of thing. But I just move on to another headline. Another headline will be saying day now. We'll be saying the odds. Now, upon waiting the bishop talk, Bishop David Oyedepo, let's see him talk. You know, say ever since before, let me talk, say before this government starts, this bishop trying to talk, say, hey, these people, this person, we won't vote for. He go show us pepper, but people know here. People know here that time. Now he don't enter now. The sinner come the pepper everybody. You know, say of recent now, Bishop released one video with trend when he talk, say make our president make him resign. Not long after, some gunmen, some unknown gunmen, ungun men, when you like, choose them. They can't invade in church for Kogi State. They invade in church. And me, I know say now because say him talk truth. That's why they go invade in church. So they go kidnap 3 members. They adopt 3 members of in church. I want to say, I not say because they speak the truth. That's why they can't invade in church. So for this country now, anybody we won't be like Moses for this country now. Then go the tackle them. Now underground, they always did. Imagine that kind of thing. No, we just imagine that kind of thing. So people now for this country now, you know if you say the truth again, you can't go kidnap a member. I know see some people will talk say, hey, he be pastor, make him pray, make him like this. No be everything prayer they solve. This kind of issue, no be everything prayer they solve. The thing where we say we need now better security. Bandits no be evil spirits. When we say prayer will kill, when we say prayer will kill them. But what's they happen if we still get all these people, if we capture all these bandits, what's they happen? We go still release them. None. No problem. And that headline when we say in the now on top this our woman Zainab, but what's be her name? That woman the only no money anytime when we say, you know, say this woman I ain't they in charge of this financial stuff for this country. Anything we consign money. Now that time this woman go show up. You know they talk something now. In the talk say and this country say we they borrow. Say we they borrow money for this country. Say we they borrow wisely. Imagine that kind of thing. However, here is institution whereby someone is borrowing and are saying we are borrowing wisely. Which kind of wisely are we borrowing? And we continue to borrow. We did not think of paying the thing when we say we borrow back. We never think of paying them back a day. You can talk say the money we say we borrow, we dey use them for better things, for investment. You can talk say at least we dey do all the road, they do railway, they do schools there, doctors they collect money. Every say the country dey better. The thing say you can't talk. Where this woman talk, where they pay me, this woman can't talk. Say the country say very soon say the thing done the better for the country in terms of economy. Into talk say Nigerians no fit. Into say Nigerians we no fit feel the impact now. Say we go dey feel am small. Say we go dey feel the positive impact small for this country. Imagine talk. Where this woman dey talk, I no be in problem. Now because say in day seriously, you see all this our leader now because say the thing no affect them. The thing no affect them. You can't talk one thing. You can't talk say if we no borrow for this country, say our country if you collapse, say our life for this country no go better. Must we always must our life for this country based on borrowing? Are we meant to borrow? Is our country called borrow? What is the do for this country? Why must we borrow? Are we entitled to borrow? Are we born to borrow? Why are we borrowing? Is it until we become a slave to those people, to those countries where we say we dey borrow from, or waiting? Why must we put our lives on borrowing? You can't talk say our economy no fit grow. Say our economy no fit grow until we start say until we continue to dey borrow. Imagine that kind of talk. The next government wey we say in dey come, wetin go be im own fate? No, wetin go be the fate of the next government wey we say in dey come? So the next government now im go use im own tenure, the old tenure, im go use am to pay debt. I know say the next tenure too, im too go try to borrow money because no matter how they go still borrow money. The last government wey be say im dey there, wey be say im leave, wey be say for 4 years Him borrow money, but the money no much. Come compare the amount wey be say the last government borrow. The last government where they talk say the person corrupt. The last government and this government, how much? Come see the difference between the borrowing now. How did the last government do am? Wey be say we dey buy fuel for 15 naira that time, 75 naira that time. How the last government do am? Wey be say cement dey cheap that time. How the last government do am? Wey be say we dey buy wey be say the tariff, the light tariff wey be say we dey use, e no cost. You come talk. This woman come talk say the Nigeria economy say e don dey better. Say in fact this COVID, na everything for their life na this COVID they just lie on to. Na this COVID they just use to do excuse for their life. This COVID to say this COVID now this COVID stuff now is going, so our economy is coming back to better. Which economy dey come to better as now? Which economy? This woman, which economy dey come to better? You dey use your own to affect our life. Well, our life is being affected. How? Come tell me wetin dey do you this one? Wetin dey do you? The more you borrow, no be you dey pay back. Now we masses, now we dey pay back. Now we dey suffer harm for this country. Now we dey suffer harm for this country. Now we suffer harm. Imagine now, what normal woman being Nigerians now, we no fit chop 3 square meals again. In fact, to chop only 2 for this country now, na wahala. No come tell me what does say the country better. How much we dey buy rice? Rice now, people no fit chop rice again for normal day. We no fit chop ordinary garri wey be say people dey always waste before. People no fit drink garri again. Come imagine that kind of thing. To transport yourself go work now na problem, and salary no increase. Salary no increase, and you dey borrow money. Wetin all those money wey be say you dey borrow, wetin you dey use am do? Wetin you use am do? You dey share money. Seriously, these people no problem. No wahala. Since you talk say if you no borrow money for this country, our life for this country no go better. Continue to dey borrow the money dey go. The more we borrow money, the more our naira dey devalue. You know say now $1 now don become 527 naira now. See the kind of thing wey be say we don push ourselves into. The kind of thing wey be say we don fall into for this country now. We continue to dey borrow money, make our economy make it dey go down. Another headline wey be say I wan talk about na about this man Ahmed Lawan, our Senate. He gonna talk say, hey, make we try to dey encourage all these Boko Haram. Make we say they surrender. All these repentant Boko Haram. Make we try to record. Make we dey encourage them. Make we no even talk bad things about them. In case say people dey think say wetin go be the judgment of all these repentant Boko Haram. Wey be say they repent. Go talk say no even think am far. We no go even judge them. The only thing we say we fit do be say we go dey encourage them. Imagine talk from a whole Senate. These people for this country cannot talk. How you go talk say make we dey encourage terrorists for this country? How you go talk am? Normal citizens for this country, we no fit sleep with our eye closed. So those people wey be say this Boko Haram, wey be say talk say make we dey encourage those parents. Let me say they don't turn to childless. Those child, let me say they don't turn them to when they call them parents. Let me say they don't get parents, they don't get anybody. The husband, let me say those Boko Haram don't turn to person wey no get wife, unko. And the wife, let me say don't turn to widow, unko. What thing those people go do? One soldier wife they shout say he talk say na next soldier say then they happy say then get Peter Boko Haram. That woman come talk say wetin him husband come die for. Imagine when you know say you wan dey encourage those Peter Boko Haram, then why are our soldiers going to the front war to face those people? Why are our soldiers dying when we know say we go dey encourage those people wey be say you capture? Imagine talk from a whole Senate talk say make we dey now. Make one tell me now with this statement wey be say you make now, say this thing now no call for say you no think say you think say this no call for say make everybody think say maybe you get one kind thing for this kind of stuff. Imagine wetin dey talk. Make we dey encourage terrorists for this country. Make come tell me how will terrorists stop for this country when those people know say after they don't kill finish they can actually surrender to the government and they will become free citizens. Imagine. More come tell me now this is just like as you say someone they steal, you can't tell the person don't know say after he don't steal finish if he go surrender himself to the government. In fact the government will give him the government will give him amnesty, the government will give him scholarship, the government will give him money. You talk say because say he be free terrorist. More come tell me how will you talk say a terrorist be free? Terrorist wey be say he don't dey kill before, he don't kill people before, come talk say he don't surrender, say make everybody say making they go for free, we give them amnesty, come talk say make it surrender, like say make we they encourage them. So the more they kill us we should be encouraging them. They kill us small, should be encouraging them. If they finish all the old nuts, encourage them. Finish all the old stouts, encourage them, right? For this country. The next news wey we say I wan read now about this man Autumn and one of this man George, we dey call him George. hey this George Akume, he don't talk louder, he don't talk say make EFCC make them go after Governor Autumn until waiting until say he speak the truth, until say he speak wetin dey pain am for mind. So this man they talk say make EFCC make him go after Samuel Autumn if DSS cannot come for him. This same man George come dey talk say make Samuel Autumn make him tender apology for spitting rubbish from him mouth to a old president of this country. Now wetin this man talk? George na him be that. He talk say why will a sitting governor be telling president say he do this, say he talk say he no reach the level wey be say suppose dey complain to the country for the country. He come talk say he talk say make him tender apology for the president unto that rubbish wey be say he spit for mouth. In case don't forget say Miyetti Allah too then get Samuel Autumn for mind. Talk say after him finish in tenure then go kidnap him. So this man to talk to make EFCC make it go after him. They talk say make them check all the record of Benue from 2015 till date. Talk say they go see say this man don't swallow money and they must to arrest him, they must to probe him. If DSS don't call for him, make EFCC make them call for him on to say he speak the truth for this country. On to say he speak say in people then they die. He can speak out. And I love this man very well, this Samuel Autumn very well. Instead talk say in they speak, say in they on the truth, in no waiting in they talk, and he no go ever change in talk at all. In talk say make the president make him do something on top of this issue of insecurity. And this man George in they talk something and that thing for mind say make this Samuel Autumn make him apologize. So we go know maybe Samuel Autumn go apologize or he go stay or he go stand on the truth. We see him talk. Another headline we be saying the trend now about this man, same man Samuel Autumn. He talk say he get the documents for hand. Where we say some Fulani man they talk say now them get Nigeria. Say now the only thing we say they inherit from their forefathers say na Nigeria. And they must see say they conquer everybody we want try to stop them for this country. Samuel Autumn talk say some people want kill him one time like that, say now those Fulani one now want kill him that time, say now only God can help him, now only God save him, now only God free him from those people where we say he never become underground, he never die, he never pay, he never pine for this country. Because I say he gets those documents for hand. In fact, he talk say he send those documents to president. He send those documents to DSS. He send those documents to the police, but they not do anything on top of that issue. Imagine, maybe that's why this man said, "We see the pen and say, as a old governor, people won't kill him, and you not do anything on top of him." Maybe I want to say, you know, say the party for Samuel Autumn is different from the party or the president. The president at APC, Samuel Ortom na PDP. Maybe that's why the president not seeing his own think. I don't know. But this Samuel Ortom be like say, I won't be the dry bone for our president's throat. And I trust our president. He no go ever talk at all. That man, he know they talk. He know they talk much. He no go even reply. Now in backup go they reply presidency Gabashiu, and them go they always reply. The president, I not sure say in they are aware of everything we happen for this world. I don't know. Maybe the president they are aware say Samuel Ortom they talk all these things. I don't know. But this country we say we take. Make Fulani they talk say the only thing we say they want inherit for this country. We say their forefathers give them and this Nigeria, and they must inherit for this country. We say we say hey, we say we day for a year. No problem. My name na MC Top Secret. See you in my next edition. Thank you.